So the product rule states that if we have a function h of x is equal to f of x times g of x, then h prime x, or the derivative of h of x, is equal to f prime x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. So what does this mean? Let's look at an example problem. So let's say h of x is equal to x squared plus 2 times 3x plus 5. Well, if we want to solve for h prime of x, what we would have to do is take the derivative of f of x, in this case, using the power rule, x squared plus 2 is equal to 2x times g of x, which would be 3x plus 5. You would have to add that by f of x, which in this case is x squared plus 2. And you would also have to multiply that with g prime of x, which is the derivative of 3x plus 5. Using the power rule, that is equal to 3. And if you wanted to simplify this, this would simplify down to 9x squared plus 10x plus 6. So using the power rule, we can get the derivative of two functions multiplied by each other. So the quotient rule states that if we have a function h of x, which is equal to f of x divided by g of x, then h prime of x, or the derivative of h of x, is going to be equal to f prime of x times g of x minus f of x times g prime of x. And that's all over g of x squared. So let's look at an example problem. Here we have h of x is equal to x squared over 3x plus 2. You can see that x squared corresponds to the f of x in this general formula, and 3x plus 2 corresponds with g of x. So you would first start by finding f prime of x, which would be the derivative of x squared. Using the power rule, we know that that is equal to 2x. Then you would have to multiply that by g of x, which is 3x plus 2. Then you would have to subtract that by f of x, which would be x squared, and multiply that by g prime of x, which would be the derivative of 3x plus 2. By using the power rule, we know that this is equal to 3. And this is all over 3x plus 2 squared. So this would be your final answer. If you wanted to, you could simplify it and get that h prime of x is equal to 3x squared plus 4x over 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. So using the quotient rule, we can find the derivative when two functions are dividing.